Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm under the 730D. We're gonna be looking at the driver display, guys. Don't know what it's called. Okay, so as you can see, as I entered, you got this nice thing there. Wow. So this is a digital driver display. So I'll just stop this. Oh, I need to search engine, guys. Right, so I've got the screen here. So here you got the media, navigation, communication, connected drive, and you got your miles per gallons and stuff. Very nice screen. Yeah, that's your screen. So you can press that, you'll get more data of the car. What's up? Yeah, you can use that as well. And for this you need the key, but seems Labby has walked off with the key. Alright, we started the car. Labby gave it the key now. Got the display there, everything's there. Oh, my phone's running out of battery soon. Gotta make this quick, guys. Okay, so here you can control everything with this. This controls the right side, as you can see. This controls the left side. And then you got all these buttons here for everything else. And yeah, this steering wheel is amazing, guys. Wow. Yeah, the paddles. Yeah, there's your adjustments. And then when you switch off the car again, you got the horn. I don't horn. If I switch off, it'll go back up now. Or it should do anyway. Oh, I think it's when you open the door. Let me see. Yeah, there you go. And then go straight back up. So that's your steering wheel. And look at that. Pretty nice, isn't it, guys? Right.